The universe captivates us, especially due to its boundless expanse. Within it, there are innumerable planets and celestial bodies that surpass our imagination with their sheer numbers. However, is the idea of an endless universe truly indisputable? Findings from NASA's space probes, New Horizons and Voyager 2, might prompt us to reconsider the widely accepted concept of an infinite universe. So, what exactly did these spacecraft uncover in the vast reaches of space? Join us as we delve into this intriguing subject. If you enjoy our videos, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the Space Bureau, and stay tuned for more exciting content in the future. The edge of our solar system. In the farthest reaches of our solar system, some experts believe there exists an extraordinary structure whose potential existence raises significant questions among astronomers. This hypothetical structure, known as the hydrogen wall, is thought to mark the boundary of our solar system. Experts suggest that this galactic wall might signify the physical end of our solar system. Specifically, this region is where the sun's emitted energy is no longer strong enough to penetrate the accumulated mass. Our sun, the central star of our planetary system, serves as a galactic energy source. Its rays travel across millions of kilometers, supplying planets and celestial bodies within its reach with essential energy. However, there comes a point where even the sun's powerful rays can no longer extend. At this spatial boundary, the sun's energy cannot penetrate or push back the surrounding matter. This creates a visible demarcation that signifies the end of our solar system. On one side of this boundary, the last remnants of the solar wind are detectable. Beyond this point, interstellar matter, including hydrogen, begins to dominate again. The discoveries of the NASA space probes. The existence of a galactic boundary has been a subject of intense debate within the scientific community for many years. Historically, limited technology prevented the scientific confirmation of this solar system edge. About 5 years ago, the NASA space probe New Horizons traversed the region around Pluto. As New Horizons ventured into the outskirts of our solar system, experts hoped it would eventually reach the elusive boundary of our planetary system. Indeed, the spacecraft detected additional ultraviolet light in the most distant corners of our solar system. For researchers, this finding bolstered the theory that a hydrogen wall might exist nearby. Earlier missions, such as the Voyager probes, launched by NASA in the late 1970s, had provided similar data. While New Horizons observations sparked further speculation, some astronomers advised cautious patience. Although the detection of ultraviolet light is a significant indication supporting the theory of a visible boundary of our solar system, the data collected so far do not yet offer conclusive proof. Has Voyager 2 discovered the border of our solar system? Indeed, Voyager 2, which has been exploring space for over 40 years, reached an area about 2 years ago that might represent the elusive edge of our solar system. The data transmitted back to Earth revealed just how astonishing the boundary of our planetary system is. According to this data, the region is akin to a galactic heat inferno, containing vast amounts of scorching hot plasma. During its journey, Voyager 2 recorded temperatures exceeding 49,000 degrees Celsius. Thankfully, the spacecraft's heat shields were robust enough to protect it from these extreme temperatures. The plasma in this region is believed to have been carried there by solar winds. However, Voyager 2's passage through this fascinating area also led to a significant technical challenge. NASA reported that the spacecraft, now almost 18 billion kilometers away from Earth, became ensnared in the wall of red-hot plasma. Despite this, the unmanned probe continues to gather valuable data and transmit it back to Earth. Does the universe really have an end? While it seems likely that our solar system has a discernible boundary, the question arises whether this concept applies to the universe as a whole. Historically, science has concluded that the universe is continually expanding, but into what space is it expanding? To answer this, experts employ various approaches. If the universe has a definitive edge, one might wonder if there is a vantage point from which one could observe beyond this closed universe. To visualize this, imagine the universe as a compact building. Is there a window or balcony within this confined structure from which you can view the surrounding area? Most likely, there is not. The balloon analogy. This concept is supported by the cosmological principle, which states that matter in the universe appears uniformly distributed from any point of observation. This phenomenon, known as isotropy, is widely accepted among experts. Most scientists agree that the universe has an isotropic structure, based on the premise that the laws of physics are consistent throughout the cosmos. Following this reasoning, the idea of a clearly defined edge of the universe is ruled out. To better understand the universe's physical structure, astronomers often use a terrestrial analogy. Imagine a balloon with a small insect on its surface. The insect can move infinitely in any direction without ever encountering a defined edge. To the insect, its environment seems boundless. While the surface of the balloon is not infinitely large, it has no visible edges or center to the insect. Many researchers suggest that this balloon analogy aptly describes the nature of our universe. In which space does the universe expand? How is it possible that the universe expands rapidly without having defined boundaries? To understand this, we need to move beyond our conventional understanding of dimensions. On Earth, when something grows, it expands outward into three-dimensional space. However, the universe encompasses everything that exists. There is no outside. In reality, the universe does not expand into a surrounding space. Rather, the space itself expands. The portion of the universe visible from our perspective is defined as the observable universe. This allows us to observe up to 46 billion light-years in all directions across the galaxy. Beyond this boundary, everything remains hidden from our view. As the universe continues to expand, the distances between objects increase, preventing us from expanding the observable universe's radius in the future. If, against all expectations, the universe does have an edge, its progressive expansion means we may never observe it.